Hey, today I had a haircut appointment and a funny thing happened on the way back. Thrifted and thrifted and thrifted. There were yard sales, estate sales. I went somewhere else. I can't remember where now. Oh, a charity shop. So I'm going to show you what I got. First off, these two matching plant stands. One's quite a bit taller than the other. She was asking $30 for the big one and $20 for the small one, and then she sold them to me for $30. These are going to get a paint job. Maybe some IOD transfers on the top. At that same place, I got this cute little copper bucket. It's very heavy for the size. It says made in Holland on the bottom, $14. This was at a yard sale. It was $1. I might try to make it look like tarnished copper. Some DIY pennies from heaven. Paint a base coat of white first, then the pennies from heaven, and then use some of the shipwreck wax and give it a nice little copper look, and then darken up the handles with some dark and decrepit. And if you follow me, you know my hair is normally curly, which is naturally its state. The hairdresser did this. Her name's Michaela. She does such a great job cutting my hair, and I always let her, not always, sometimes I let her straighten it, and it's not something that I can do at home very good at all, so it's kind of a treat. But I also am not used to it. The same yard sale where I got the little aluminum tray, I got this cute little step ladder. It was $5. They were using it actually to hold up their display of things. They had a board set across it. It's really what caught my eye when I drove by the yard sale to begin with. I said, would you sell this little step ladder? And he had to ask his wife, and she said, yes, how about $5? Somebody's already given it a creative paint job. I am going to paint it over, clean it up, paint it over. I hit another yard sale, and I got these 3 folding, now they're twisted together, folding plant holders. They're metal, or they're heavy like metal. They have to be metal. But there's 3 of them. This is the smallest one. There's the biggest one. It was $3 for all 3 of them. At that same yard sale, I got this metal toolbox. The box is metal. Inside it has dividers. That's plastic. Paint it. Put some transfers on it. Debbie with Debbie's Design Diary, and also Ellen J. Goods. They both have done some upcycled toolboxes recently, so I'm jumping on the bandwagon there. At that same yard sale, I got what I hope is the buy of the day. See, that's the problem with straight hair. This copper boiler pot. The lid is a little rusted away, or I'm sorry, not the lid, the handle. Handles on both ends of the pot. It has a repair spot on it somewhere at the bottom. It's very rustic, which is cool. I am going to clean it just with some soapy water to see how it looks after that. I would like for more of the copper to show through, but maybe after cleaning it, it will get coppery looking. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do. Just clean it or try to polish the copper a little bit. And at that same yard sale, I got 4 full boxes of these ornaments. These are gold and silver. This one with red and green, more gold and silver. All 4 boxes were $1. It does say on the bottom that it was $24.50 with special $19.99. But then I was on my way home, thought I was done, I thought I did great, and less than a quarter mile from my house I see a sign for an estate sale. So I gotta stop, right? The estate sale had started at 8 a.m. and it was about 1 o'clock by the time I got there. So everything was 50% off, and everything I bought is in this box and sitting on this board. It was $14.50. this cute little Art Deco glass frame. It has metal on the corners. It was $2, but I got it for $1. This book, Tommy Tinker's book. It says it was copyright 1920, and it says a dearly beloved book of Jane Neal's, first one she read and reread her own self. But you can see the script there. I don't know, I'm a sucker for sentimental things like that. Oh, that was $1. The original price was $12. This cute little Art Deco mirror, it was $1 pre-markdown, so that was 50 cents. This tin bucket, so cute, and has a label on it. Bluing, I guess. The great bleaching, bluing, and purifier. Most extensively advertised bluing in the world. This did not have a price on it. This was at the estate sale. He said $3, the original price, so it was $1.50. And when I went to the checkout, I think that was the owner, and when I went to the checkout, I believe it was his wife, and she said, $3? She goes, I paid $25 for that. But she gave it to me for $3. The cutest little bread tin, mini bread tin. It was $1. I got it for 50 cents. Here is another little Art Deco frame. This one is really, really cute. It's red and silver. It carries a little tiny picture. It was $2. I got it for $1. You know, probably from the 20s, I'm guessing, maybe 30s. So the place that the estate sale was at, I heard the lady say they closed their shop. So when I walked into the garage, they had all these cool pieces, parts, things. I'm like, oh, I need that, I need that, I need that. I got all these little finials in this bag. They're wooden, and these are a little bigger, a little bit fancier. I don't know if you can see that very well. This one was $1.25. That's my price. This one was 50 cents. This one was $1 after the discount. These are just things you should keep. More the straight hairs really drive me crazy. Keep handy, you never know. These would be awesome. A little riser, put feet on it. These old wooden casters for dressers and tables and stuff. It was $5. I got it for $2.50. There was also this little pack of wood. I got it for $1.25. The last thing I have to show you, cupboard door, wooden, it's oak. This didn't have a price on it either. My price was $2.50. What I think I'm either going to do a chalkboard or put a cork, get inserted in there and make like a little memo board. So today's impromptu thrift haul was so much fun, and I feel like I got some really great stuff. Can't wait to show you some of the projects that I do with it. Thanks for tuning in. I am Beth. You can follow me at BL Paperworks on Facebook. I also have an Instagram page, which actually is White Knuckle Vintage. That's going to be my new name. Don't tell anybody. I'm going to have an announcement soon. If you enjoyed this thrift haul, please like and subscribe and hit the notification button. So thanks a lot for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my junk haul. So I ran back to the estate sale. I just wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything. Called my neighbor, said, hey, let's go. We got there maybe 15 minutes before they closed. I got a couple more small little things. This cute little copper oil lamp. It doesn't have the shade, the chimney. It's a very small one. They didn't have one that size, but that was $1. This stand-up picture frame, but it's wood. I thought it was metal at first, but it's wood. It's so cute. I think it was $1.50. I picked up this, it's a catalog of stencils and decoupage papers, and the lady said she bought it like 20 years ago, and she always kept the catalog because she loved looking at the stuff. So I thought it would be cool since I sell some JRV stencils, and she has the decoupage papers out now. So these are all stencils, I think, and the decoupage papers are at the back. I may just look at it for the next 20 years, or maybe I'll cut out pieces and use it, I'm not sure, and decoupage them somewhere. So the last little thing I got, this is really cute. It's a vintage Santa. My daughter said it looked like an elf on the shelf, which kind of creeped her out. But it says Japan can barely see that. It says Japan on the back. And this is real rabbit fur on his Santa suit. So I think he either hangs up somewhere or he sits on the shelf like an elf. I'm not sure why his arms won't go down. Oh, there they go. Maybe he's some kind of puppet. I don't know. Anyways, that was $3.50. She said she thought it was from the 40s or 50s, and I'd not seen anything like that before, so I picked that up. And that is the end of the haul. Thanks for joining me.